Hello students, let us start coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry. Tenth class. In 9th class, we have seen the coordinates geometry. We have seen let this is a number line, this is a number line, 0 is the origin, and +1, +2, +3, +4, so on. This is negative, -1, -2, -3, -4, and say this is xo x dash, and also we draw another number line by o by dash, and these are the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, downward -1, -2, -3 and -4. Just if we draw these two lines, these two number lines, each other, xo dash, xo x dash and yo y dash, then this point is called the origin. Here the value of x and y is always 0. Ox is positive side and Oy is positive side. Ox dash is negative side, Oy dash is negative side. Therefore, we can say towards the Ox side, all the points are positive, and toward the negative left hand side, all the points are negative. Just above the line, that is OY, these points are positive. Below, these points are negative. Therefore, the whole plan is divided into 4 quadrants, and this is called the first quadrant. This is called the first quadrant, and this is called the second quadrant, and this is called the third quadrant. This is called the fourth quadrant. In the first quadrants, the values of x and y are positive. Values of x and y are always positive. And in the second quadrant, the value of x is negative and the value of y is positive. In the third quadrant, the value of x is negative and the value of y is also negative. Negative and negative. In the fourth quadrant, the value of x is positive and the value of y is negative. Likewise, we see that in the first quadrants both the values are positive. In the second quadrant x is negative, y is positive. In the third quadrant both x and y are negative. In the fourth quadrant x is positive, y is negative. Therefore, in the anti-clockwise, we see that first, second, third, fourth, these are in the anti-clockwise, and the values are different in the each quadrant. That is, x and y are, the values of x and y are different in each quadrant. Let us draw some points. Let us draw the value of x. There is a point P, 2, 3, another point Q, 3, 2, R, 0, 5, S, 5, 0. And this plan is called the Cartesian plan, also the coordinate plan, and sometimes XY plan. In this plan, we have to locate the value of P. P is 2 and 3. The first value is always the value of x, and the second value is always the value of y. So this is x and this is y. In this point, the value of x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. Here, the value of x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. In this, value of x is 0 and value of y is equal to 5. Likewise, x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 0. Firstly, we locate the point P in the Cartesian plan. Here x is equal to positive, therefore 1 and 2, y is 3, this is 1, 2 and 3. Therefore, the point, the location of the point will be P, 2 and 3. This point P indicates 2 and 3. That is, here the value of x is 2, 1 and 2, and the value of y is 3. Likewise, value of Q point Q will be x is equal to 3, positive, 1, 2 and 3, and y is 2. 2 is just in front of 1, 2, 3 here, 3 and 2. This is Q, 3 and by 2. When we locate R, x is equal to 0 here and value of y is 5. That is upward 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 here. This is the value of x is equal to 0 and y 5. That is the point R. Next, S, 5 and 0. The value of x is 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and y is 0. This is the point S, 5 and 0. We see that R and S are not the same. The location of R and S is different. So here we can say P, R, X and Y, and S, X and Y are different. if and only if x is not equal to y, अगर x और y की वैल्यू एक जैसी हो फिर ही इस कार्टेशियन प्लान में एक ही पॉइंट आएगा, अदरवाइज एक्स एन वैल्यू जहाँ x की वैल्यू 5 है, y की वैल्यू 0 है, जहाँ x की वैल्यू 0 है, 5 की वैल्यू y की वैल्यू 5 है. सो वी कैन से if and only if x is not equal to y, or xy and xxy, these points are also at the different places. So we can say these are called the ordinates. Ordinates of x and y are always not in the same place. We can say ordinates are 0 and 5. Here s are 5 and 0. Likewise, we can draw other points in the Cartesian plan. We have see earlier in the 9th class. Now, in the 10th class, we have to see how we can solve the questions with the help of this Cartesian plan method. Say we have a point P, 2, 3 and Q, 4, 5. If we draw the value of P and Q, it will be P 2, x is value 2, y is equal to 3 here. This is the point P, 2 and 3. Then Q 4, 5 means x जो x की वैल्यू है 4 है, 1, 2, 3, 4 और 5 की वैल्यू अपवर्ड 5 है. इट मीन्स 1, 2, 3, 4 एंड 5 जहाँ ये पॉइंट आ जाएगा Q 4 एंड 5. नाउ द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन P एंड Q, यह जो इनका डिस्टेंस है P और Q के विचकार जो डिस्टेंस है, हम इनकी दूरी है जो इसको कैसे मेजर कर सकते हैं. इसकी दूरी को मेजर करने के लिए हमारे पास डिस्टेंस फार्मूला है. डिस्टेंस फार्मूला फॉर द मेजरमेंट ऑफ ए डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द टू पॉइंट्स. डिस्टेंस फार्मूला क्या है? If there are 2 points P, x1, y1 and Q, x2, y2, then the distance between P and Q can be measured with the help of distance formula, that is x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square whole under root. हमने अगर यह दूरी निकालनी हो तो हम क्या करना है? जो डिस्टेंस फार्मूला है वो है x2 माइनस x1 स्क्वायर प्लस y2 माइनस y1 स्क्वायर होल अंडर रूट. इसकी जो बातों हम करके इसकी दूरी को निकाल सकते हैं. हम क्या देखते हैं इसमें से? दिस इज द पॉइंट P एंड दिस इज पॉइंट Q. दिस इज x1 एंड दिस इज y1. दिस इज x2, दिस इज y2. putting the values in the formula x2 is 4 minus x1 is 2 square plus by 2 is 5 minus 3 square under root. Solving further, 4 minus 2 2 square plus 5 minus 3 2 square is equal to 4 plus 4 is equal to 8 is equal to 4 multiply 2 is equal to 2 under root 2 unit. Therefore, this distance is 2 under root 2. Likewise, we can find the value of the distance between 2 points with the formula which is known as distance formula, which is PQ is equal to x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Note, if the point P lies in the original point, here we may say here is a point P and here is a point Q. Then here the value of x and y, x1 is 0, y1 is 0. Here the value of x2 and y2. If we put these values in the distance formula, we see that x2 minus 0 square plus y2 minus 0 square, x2 square plus y2 square. Therefore, this is the second form of distance formula. When one point is at the original point 0 0 and the other point is at a distance from the original point, this is the distance formula when the value of the original point is 0 0. Likewise, we can solve other questions with this formula, which is very helpful in our daily life. Like, we have to show the 3 points are equidistant or not equidistant or collinear or not collinear, or the given points are the vertices of the square likewise. Take an example. So that so that 5 minus 2 6 4 and 7 minus 2 are the vertices of associated triangles. हमने यह शो करना है कि जो 3 पॉइंट हमको जो दिए हैं ये एसोसिएट ट्रायंगल के वर्टिसेस हैं। अगर हम इनको ड्रा करेंगे ग्राफ में पहले की तरह, let this is P, this is Q and this is R. Then likewise we draw equal points below. This is y o y dash and this is x o x dash. We draw the points in the Cartesian plan. P, the value, the point P is 5 minus 2. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus 2 is below. Here, this is the point P, which is 5 minus 2. Again Q, 6, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 above 1, 2, 3 and 4. 6, 4. This is point Q. R, 7 minus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Minus 2. Here. 7 minus 2 R. If we add these points, we see that this is a triangle P R Q. Here is a triangle P R Q. We have to show that these points P, R and Q are the vertices of a isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangles, we see that the sides are equal. If this is an isosceles triangle, then this side must be equal to this side. So, we have to find the distance between P and Q. This distance PQ with the help of distance formula x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Again x2 minus x1, x2 this 6 and x1 5. 6 minus 5 square plus y2, this is 4 and this is minus 2. 4 minus 2 means plus 2. 6 minus 5 is 1 square plus 4 plus 2 6 square. 1 square is 1 plus 36 is equal to 37. Therefore, this is under root 37, the distance between P and Q. Now again, we have to find the distance between R and Q. The distance between R and Q is equal to under root x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Again putting the values here, x2 again 6 minus x1 is 7 plus y2 is 4 minus y1, this is minus 2 minus and minus plus 2 square. 6 minus 7 minus 1 square plus 6 square, 1 plus 36 is equal to under root 37. Here we see that this distance is also 37. So we can say in this triangle PRQ, the distance between P and Q is under root 37, and the distance between R and Q is also under root 37. Therefore, in triangle PRQ, we can say the value of PR or PQ is equal to RQ, that is under root 37 is equal to under root 37. Therefore, we can say these points are the vertices of an S. These are the vertices of an triangle which is बी में से इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल, जिसकी दो साइडें हम एक को जैसी होते हैं, उसको हम कहते हैं कि दीज आर द वर्टिसेस ऑफ आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल. हैज़ टू प्रूव जस्ट हम जो डिस्टेंस फार्मूले की बरतों करके हम ऐसे ज्योमेट्री के जो क्वेश्चन है उसको प्रूव कर देते हैं. जैसे हमने जहाँ किया है कि जो ट्रायंगल में वर्टिसेज हैं जो आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल के वर्टिसेज हैं, ऐसे हम शो कर सकते हैं कि अगर इन 4 पॉइंट्स को दीज आर द वर्टिसेज ऑफ ए स्क्वायर, these are the vertices of a parallelogram, or just like other questions we can solve with this coordinate geometry formula, distance formula. नेक्स्ट हम देखेंगे इसके और भी कैसे हम बातों यदि या क्वेश्चन में डिस्टेंस फार्मूले की कर सकते हैं. हम एक और एग्जांपल लेते हैं इसको सॉल्व करने के लिए. हम देखते हैं एग्जांपल लेकर, मान लीजिए so that points A 1 5 B 2 3 C mains 2 mains 11 are collinear or not. हमने जैसे शो करना है कि जो 3 जो पॉइंट है ए बी एंड सी जो एक ही लाइन में है या ना. कोलिनियर पॉइंट्स होते हैं अगर वो एक ही लाइन में हो. मान लीजिए हमारे पास एक लाइन सेगमेंट है ए बी और हमारे पास जो 3 पॉइंट है, एक पी है, एक क्यू है, एक आर है. देन तीनों जो पॉइंट हैं एक ही लाइन सेगमेंट में हैं तो हम कहते हैं कि दीज आर कोलिनियर. कोलिनियर होता है एक ही लाइन में. अगर हमारे पास एक लाइन हो ए बी और एक पॉइंट पी हो, एक क्यू हो, एक जहाँ आर हो, देन हम कहेंगे कि दीज पॉइंट्स आर नॉट कोलिनियर. जस्ट these are not collinear points. and this is the question. We have to show that these 3 points are collinear or not. इसके लिए अगर हम इसको ग्राफ में ड्रा करते हैं फिर भी हम देख पाएंगे, और क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करके भी हम देख पाएंगे कि हमारा आंसर क्या है, यह पॉइंट्स कोलिनियर है और नहीं है। पहले हम इनको ग्राफ में ड्रा करते हैं। लेट दिस इज एक्स डैश ओ एक्स बाई ओ बाई डैश। फर्स्टली A15 we draw cut equal points on the x-axis and y-axis. एज 1 x, जहाँ x की वैल्यू 1 और y की वैल्यू 5 प्लस 1 2 3 4 5, जहाँ पॉइंट आएगा A 1 and 5। नेक्स्ट B 2 3 1 2 3 प्लस 1 2 and 3 2 3, this is point B। and C minus 2 minus 11, C is minus 2 x की वैल्यू minus 2 minus 11, नीचे वाला होएगा 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, जहाँ आ जाएगा ये 2n minus 11, ये हमारे पास C पॉइंट आएगा minus 2n minus 11। if we join these AB and C, we see that these 3 points are not in the straight line, AB and C. From here we can say these 3 points are not collinear points. In another word, we can show also with the help of distance formula by finding the value of AB and BC and AC. If the sum of AB and BC is equal, then we can say these are collinear. But firstly we have to find the value of AB with the help of distance formula, x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. We have to find the value AB. Here in AB, this is x2, this is x1. x2 is, the value of x2 is 2 minus 1 square plus 3 minus 5 square. Further solving 2 minus 1 square plus minus 2 square, 1 plus 4, that is square root of 5. This is square root of 5. Then we find BC. BC x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Again putting the values, minus 2 minus 2 square plus value of y2 minus 11 or minus 3, minus 2 is minus 4 और square is equal plus 16, a1 के minus 14 और स्क्वायर करेंगे 196, is equal to adding 2102 again here दिस इज, अगर हम इनकी वैल्यू ए सी की निकालेंगे जे वाली वैल्यू ऑफ ए सी, देन x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square, here putting the values, इसमें -2 और -1 square plus -11 और -5, again -3 square plus -16 square, 9 plus 2, 5, 6, adding this one. Value of AC is 265 square root. The value of this one is 212 square root. We see that AB plus BC is not equal to AC. क्योंकि जहाँ √5 प्लस 212 is not equal to AC 265. Therefore, these points are not collinear points. Likewise, we can solve other questions with this distance formula. If we have to find the value of a point from the origin, say A, which is 0, 0, and another point B, say 4 and 3. The distance formula, when from the origin, we have already seen here the value of x1 and y1 are always 0 when we find the distance from the origin. Therefore, it reduces to AB distance x square x2 square plus y2 square, means this value and this value is 0, 0. x2 is 4 square plus y2 is 3 square. Solve further, 16 plus 9, 25, 5. Therefore, this is 5 joint. In other words, we can say if we have to find the value of a line, the distance between the 2 points where one is at the original point, then simply we can use this formula because the value of x1 and y1 is 0. Just like here we use this formula for finding the value of AB, which is 5 joint. And if these 2 points are at another distance not at 0, then we use the distance formula x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. आज के हमने जो क्वेश्चन किए हैं वो डिस्टेंस फार्मूले के बारे में हमने एक दो क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व किया है। और नेक्स्ट हम दूसरे जो नेक्स्ट यूनिट में हम देखेंगे इसके जो कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री में और कौन कौन से फार्मूले हैं जिसकी हम वरतों करके इसको क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व कर पाएंगे। आज हम इनको जहाँ ही विराम देते हैं। धन्यवाद।